Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into the heart of Germany, exploring the vibrant cities of Stuttgart and Hamburg as they gear up for the UEFA Euro 2024. These cities are not just about football, they are brimming with culture, history, and excitement. If you're a football fan, or just love soaking up the culture and sights, you're in for a treat with these two cities. From historic landmarks to modern attractions, there's something for everyone. Let's kick things off with Stuttgart, famously dubbed the Car City. This city is a perfect blend of innovation and tradition. Home to iconic brands like Mercedes-Benz and Porsche, Stuttgart is a haven for automobile enthusiasts. The city's streets are often graced by the sleek designs of these luxury cars. Imagine wandering through the Mercedes-Benz Museum or the Porsche Museum, where every corner turns up legends on wheels. These museums are not just for car lovers, they offer a fascinating glimpse into the history and future of automotive engineering. And if you're here for Euro 2024, Stuttgart's Mercedes-Benz Arena is prepping to host 3 thrilling group stage matches. The atmosphere is going to be electric, with fans from all over the world coming together to celebrate the beautiful game. Now, shifting gears to Hamburg, Germany's second-largest city and a cultural powerhouse. This city is a melting pot of history, culture, and modernity. From the bustling Hamburg harbor to the historic St. Michael's Church, and not forgetting the vibrant Reeperbahn district, Hamburg is an eclectic mix of old and new. The city's nightlife is legendary, offering something for everyone. Football fans, mark your calendars, as Hamburg's Volksparkstadion is also set to host 3 group stage matches. The stadium is known for its incredible atmosphere and passionate fans. Navigating these cities is a breeze thanks to their excellent public transportation networks. Whether you're in Stuttgart or Hamburg, you'll find it easy to get around. Whether it's the subway, buses, or trams, getting around is easy and efficient. The public transport systems are well connected and reliable, making your travel experience smooth and hassle-free. And when it comes to staying over, both Stuttgart and Hamburg offer a variety of accommodations, from swanky hotels to budget-friendly youth hostels. You'll find options that suit every budget and preference. A pro tip for travelers: book your accommodation early. With the influx of visitors for Euro 2024, places are bound to fill up fast. Early booking ensures you get the best deals and preferred locations. With the influx of visitors for Euro 2024, places are bound to fill up fast. So plan ahead and secure your stay to avoid last-minute hassles. Consider grabbing a Hamburg card or Stuttgart card for free or discounted admissions to many attractions and free public transport rides. These cards are a great way to save money and make the most of your visit. Oh, and brushing up on some basic German phrases might not only help you navigate better, but also connect with the locals. A simple Guten Tag or Danke can go a long way in making your experience more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the rich culture and scrumptious food. Both cities offer a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether it's indulging in Stuttgart or Spitzli, or feasting on a Fischburg in Hamburg, your taste buds are in for a celebration. Each city has its own unique flavors and specialties that you must try. Stuttgart and Hamburg are not just Euro 2024 venues, they are gateways to an unforgettable German adventure. The cities are decked out in Euro 2024 banners, adding to the festive atmosphere. Make sure to soak it all in. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, there's so much to explore and enjoy. Speaking of hidden gems, don't miss the picturesque areas of these cities. Stuttgart's vineyards offer stunning views and a serene escape from the urban hustle. Meanwhile, Hamburg's canals and bridges create a charming and picturesque setting that's perfect for a leisurely stroll or a boat ride. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all new content. We've got more exciting adventures and travel tips coming your way. See you next time for more exciting adventures. Until then, happy travels and enjoy the Euro 2024 festivities.